Hey, it's Mike Sweeney with SweeneyMarketingGroup.com, and in today's video we're going to talk about starting a business from home, the how and the where to start making money online. And in today's video I'm going to cover two places to begin with that you can look at for starting a business. This is the how and the where to start making some money. First place is with affiliate marketing. Second one would be network marketing. And to really generate some power behind that, I suggest combining both of those, affiliate marketing and network marketing, combine them together so that you can come up with a better income source for yourself. Because one, you can attract or have solutions available for people from either place, either as an affiliate or through your network marketing product or your business. And if it's in a situation where it's not a perfect match for a network marketing person, there's always an affiliate program, offer, course, or something that you could offer the person for and receive some type of commission from it. So it's adding some additional revenue for you, having the affiliate marketing products available for you as a business owner. But what I see happening with people is when they get involved, because there's so many easy buttons that are flashed out there, they come in with the mindset that it's going to be an easy thing. And what happens with that is, one, it's too easy to quit because there hasn't been enough thought process into what it is you need to do in the business. So it's very easy to quit. And because affiliate marketing and network marketing both have very low dollar investment, there's a lot of thought behind it. Is, well, it's only costing me $50 or $100, I'm just going to see what happens with this. And that's completely wrong to think that way. Instead of looking at it as only $100, you want to look at it like it's $100,000. Because I'm telling you, if you were to go out and invest in a traditional business, whether it be one that you're starting up on your own from scratch, or one that you're going into purchasing, buying into a franchise, or buying an existing business from a previous business owner, you're going to be spending that kind of money and more to get going, and you will be motivated to make your money back, or you're just going to completely lose all the money that you put into it. Now, couple that with affiliate marketing and network marketing, where people come in, like I said, at a very low investment. They don't carry that same mindset with them. I shouldn't say everybody, I should say there's a percentage of people, and it's, in my opinion, a high percentage of people, because of the low amount, they don't look at it as a serious investment, or they don't look at it as a serious time commitment. They don't look at it as a serious business, and that's a problem, because that leads to, if it doesn't work in this amount of time, and it's generally a short amount of time that people give themselves to start generating the income that they're looking to make, it's easy to quit. It's easy to jump from one to another, from one business to another, because this didn't work out, so I'm going to try this, or go on and jump on to multiple times, where they'll try different types of business models, and a lot of them will be in the same type of thing. It could be changing network marketing companies, it could be changing affiliate offers, it could be the marketing strategy itself behind the business model, that they're just jumping from one to the other. And it becomes a process where it's very easy for them to give up. I mean, that's what happens when you try and take the easy way out. It's easy to give up, it's easy to quit, it's easy to jump from one thing to another, and just go on to the next best and greatest thing that someone else puts out in front of you. And at that point, it becomes a point where you blame the system or you blame the program that you got involved with because you were not able to do anything with it. When in fact the case is, if you were to switch that mindset and start looking at it as a business and take the harder approach to it, where you stay focused, you start taking action, you start following the exercises, the steps that people are giving you, and you either check them off as you get them done, or if there's things that need to be repeated every day, you check them off each day what you're doing as you get them implemented, or as you continue to do the steps each day in your business, following through from start to finish. These are the 3 things I need to do in my business today. Check the first one off, get it done. Do the second thing, get it done, check it off. Third thing, do it, implement it, follow through on it, check it off, done. Because there's going to be times when you really got to buckle down. Because as you go through the steps, as you go through the exercises that you're being given to follow, to complete, to build your business, to generate income, as you're going through that process, some days it's hard. Some days it doesn't exactly work the way that the steps are supposed to go. And you need to be able to be resourceful enough in yourself to figure out, what it is that you have to do to make it work. Instead of looking at it in a environment of, oh, this doesn't work, it must be me, blah blah blah. You need to look at it as, what do I need to change? What do I need to do to make this work? What am I missing? What did I do wrong? How can I improve? What can I add? That's what you need to be looking at when you're starting a business, when you're looking at the how and the where to make money online. You need to start looking in yourself, seeing that you're following the right steps, that you're doing the right things. And if they're not working, then you need to start asking, what do I need to do? What am I missing? How should I change things up? You need to push through, and you need to push through and keep trying and keep trying and keep trying. Because I can guarantee you could walk up and down your streets and stop at every business that's on the street and ask them what they did when things weren't working out for them, or when things were getting tough, and they're going to tell you the exact same thing. They pushed through it. They just found a way to make things happen. And that is an important piece that people miss in home business, because it's, again, low investment. So it almost seems like it becomes low involvement, or a low attention to detail, attention to focus, attention to putting things in place and actually getting stuff done. And that is a problem, because you from the get-go, you have to know up in here, this is going to go. I'm going to make this go. So those are the 2 things that I would say. Combine affiliate marketing, network marketing, and then in your mind up here. In your mind, you have to know the steps you're going to follow, plan it out, put them in place, follow them through, check them off. Again, next day, repeat it. And when things get hard, when things aren't going right, push through it. Start asking yourself, what do I need to do differently, or what do I need to do instead of asking yourself, maybe this isn't for me. You need to in your own self come up with the driving factor in your business, because it is your business. Yes, someone may have given you the program, or someone may have given you the idea that it could be successful for you, but you are the person that has to do the steps. You are the person that has to go through the actions. You are the person that has to implement. You are the person that has to see it through. So combine affiliate marketing with network marketing. That is my approach for someone completely new, definitely someone completely new to it. And if you've been around looking for a while and you're still in the decision process, I hope this has added to some of your insight, and has given you maybe the next step to go ahead and move forward with it. And when you do make that decision, again, be decisive with it. Have your steps, your exercises, your action plan that you want to follow in place. Implement it. Stay focused on it. Keep your attention on it. And when things start to get a little rough, when things start to not go as you had planned, push through it and continue with the plan that you had. But if you have to make some changes, but stay on the course to what got you started in the first place and where it is that you were looking to go. So again, I hope you found this helpful. Like and share the video if you did. Share it with your friends, anyone that's out there that's looking to start a business and wanting to know where and how to get going with it. Those are my recommendations. So take it to heart. If you have questions, my contact information is below. Reach out and connect with me, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Have a good day.